Good morning friend. Today I am showing you how to make a inorganic fruits garden. It is easy to grow, no need to more space, small space you can grow. You can first you take a container like that. My friend is taking from the market this uh, pot, not more. Look how much uh, lemon is coming. Look and how much is the fully inorganic. Fully inorganic. Very simple. Every day he watering the plant and this is a daily routine. He pass time here. Very nice. No, not so many. And today I'm showing you, I'm sharing you this video. You have to make in your beside your house. Look here. This is your house. So many, not only simple, so many plants is there. Look here. Very simple pace. Not no need to more pace, but need to eagerness. It is fully inorganic. No need to pesticide. It is fully inorganic. Look, this is one. This is two. This is three. Look how much. This also is. Now it is nicely it is grown up. So how leaf is, how nice the leaf is. So many is here. Nice. How many is this? Fully inorganic vegetable and fruits garden is only like that. Look at how many is growing here. Look, so many. Easy to grow. Not only you purchase like this container, like this container. All are container purchase from the market and here small plant. How much lemon is come? Small plant lemon. So many fully inorganic. And here is another showing you. This is turmeric. This is imli. That is turmint. How nice this it will grow after that. All are very nice to look here. Like it is very simple. This is way to grow. This is fully. So here I am showing you another. This is some flower plant also. Then I am showing you some mango plant, jackfruit. It is not a matter of joke. Then big. After next year it will. I think the jackfruit will come. Now how nice grown like. So this is another going on some mango plant. Here is I am showing you. Is fully inorganic. There also one mango plant. And look, this season is mango will come. Look here. Look. Flower come, mango flower. This is nothing. Big plant. Big plant. And only put some here. So look here. Put some soil and put here. Mango. Look. This is mango. Look here. Mango flower come. This is mango season. And small. After that mango will. After that I will show you after when the mango come. Here also another small going on. It is another small going on. And there is a rose plant. This mango. This also come in flower. So many flowers come. Look. So many flowers come. Not a matter of joke. After I show you up to date when the mango come. Full of mango. It is full of mango. Yes. Very good. The big plant. Look here. Not a small plant. It is a bonsai like that. It will very inorganic and fully inorganic fruits garden. Full like that. Fully inorganic. Nothing only. So cow dung and other things that they have to spread it. Very easy. Nothing. You can make. Look here. There is a patience. No need to more paste. He make himself like that. This is I am showing you another is most delicious and it is needed. Every family is needed for curry leaves. You know this curry leaves so many benefits. 12 benefits from curry leaves. Very simple. Look. Only you can dig the soil and purchase a one curry leaves plant and put in your side of a house you can sufficient amount of leaves. Look here, how much leaf came. Fully inorganic. Only he washing the leaves in the evening, or sometimes 2 days, 3 days, or 7 days after he will washing this leaf. Sometimes he's not. Look here, how much, how bushy the curry leaves. Look, how bushy the curry leaves. Very nice. Every family needs to curry leaves in the morning and evening for sambar like that, and the 12 benefits from curry. How bushy, you cannot imagine. Look, how bushy the curry leaves. How bushy. How bushy the curry leaves. Very nice. But here is many things. Some boys are disturbing. They are playing here. Here is some tennis ground is there. Some boys is playing there. They have to flag this. Here is chiku. Here is chiku. So many chiku is there. But there are absence of there. The early video I show you. Many chikus come. Again our flower came. Very nice. Look here. Many chikus came. Many chikus came. The boys are stealing it. They are absent. Look how much. You cannot imagine. Very simple. First, look here. What is this? It is nothing but it is a container. How can you make? It is easy to make. I am sharing this video. This siku is more beneficial. Look. First time I saw this video, so many sikus are there. But now again it comes small, and so many flowers. Look here, this flower, so many flowers. Every plant has so many flowers. Look here, chiku, this is chiku plant. Is here, this. Some are stealing. The boys are playing there, and they come, and in absence of them, they are stealing. So many chikus is present there, but they are stealing. I have a video. I see this video in this. Very nice chiku. So then another I am showing you. This is chiku plant. Then another is pomegranate. This also fully inorganic. Look, it is very simple. Very simple way you have to. Very simple way. This pomegranate. Nice pomegranate. Look, very simple. Container there was size. You look at the size. How much size is needed? This type of size is needed. You are available in the market. You have purchased from the market this type of container, and you purchase a chara from this nursery and put in your. Very simple. As a wall, in a wall you can keep here. As a pomegranate. So many pomegranates come. So many pomegranates coming here. Chiku, pomegranate. One by one I am showing you at the flower. How nice the flower is moving. But sometimes the kids are disturbing. They are stealing in absence of their house. Some they are playing here and come here and to flag this chiku and other things. Very bad thing. But you have to make this very simple. This pomegranate. How nice the pomegranate is. This pomegranate. This pomegranate, and this pomegranate, this chiku, the best chiku. How much flower is come? So many chikus flower came here. So many chikus. So many. Every bands you look, every bands in the bands of the chikus come. It's more delicious for the children. Stand, look. So many. Nothing. Chiku. Here is chikus. Very simple. Only purchase a plant from a nursery, available in nursery. 150, 60, 70 rupees only one plant. Like one. But this type is container is needed. Size, look the size of the container. How much size? This is not big, not small. First, you look at the size of a container, and there is you can keep anywhere any place, because there is a water. Keep their water. You can keep. And look how pomegranate, chiku, inorganic, only inorganic. Only you can keep this. So many flowers come. Again our fruit again. So many fruits come. Pomegranate. And here is bonsai is going on. Another. So many. Best siku. And this is curry leaves. So very bushy. Very important thing. Boost. Very bushy. The leaves. And fully inorganic. And it is domestic. Very simple. Yeah, look. Very simple place. No need more place. Only you can dig the soil and then how much the bushy. You cannot imagine. Curry leaves is more. We will benefit from curry leaves. And fresh. You can use this fresh curry leaves at your home every day. When you need, you can pluck and use sambar. And very delicious. And not only, it is good for the diabetes also. If you take one curry leaves, fresh leaves, you can take one curry leaves and eat like that. You can eat. Any worm in stomach, it will remove from the stomach. And this is more delicious and it is more, how much bushy, whatever. Nothing. Only he put this plant in the soil. Or you cut the stem of a plant, of a mother plant, and put in the soil, it grow. How much? No secret, only fully organic. How can you bushy? Only you give out water evening and morning, or after 7 days, you wash these leaves. You have bush. It is now it is hot summer. Due to hot summer, now it is how much? Very nice. It's a hot summer. So many. How bushy the curry leaves. Look. Oh, very important thing. It is more 13 or 14 benefits from the curry leaves. Every day you can use the fresh curry leaf at your meal. And sambar and other things needed. Curry leaf. How much bushy? Imagine. Look. How much? Very nice. Look how much it is. Another mango. After 1 month, I'll show you the up-to-date of the mango. When the mango is grown up, then I'll show you this video. How nice this video. And another is still that. This is first time. This is like that. This is small. This small. You put the first. This is small. This small. This I purchased from the nursery. Then you dug the soil like that and put then it become like that. Become like that. How much is big? How much is big? All are the flowers come. After that it full of a mango. This is summer season, but needs some water. You wash the leaves and put some water. After in a week, you can put this. Nothing. First you purchase this small tinder. First is small. Look here. It's this small tinder mango plant convert into a not big, not small. Another also here. Look. Very nice. Here also another. Very simple. First you wash the size of a container. If you want to put the mango tree in a container, first you look the size. Friends, look the size of a container. Size of a container. This container, size of a container. Size of a container. Rose also is cultivated here. So many already. But this hot summer, this is best. First you purchase a small one, very simple, a small one, and remove this and put into dug the soil and plant it. After that it become like that. Mango. And delicious mango. This mango. Yes. First, this one. After that, you can put in the container also. This container like that. Yes. Today is not this also. And have this one. Look, this is the flower of mango. After it converts, small mango will come. After I show you this when the mango is come, then I show so many flowers come. Nothing more, so many. This is mango flower. This is mango flower. Look at this mango. They convert into a mango. Easy. First you purchase this one, then it convert into a like that. This is a big. Then you can also put a container also. First you size the container. Container size is most important. Then another here is fungu. There is after some days the jackfruit. Jackfruit. Look, this is jackfruit. Jackfruit. Look at number jackfruit. How much jackfruit? How much big jackfruit? Big jackfruit. Jackfruit plant has branches. After that, next year, jackfruit will come. Then how much it is bushy and big branches. Spread the branches. Sometimes he cut these branches to big. No need more branches. That's enough. I keep here one. Here is two. Here is 3, 4 branches there, and it will grow up and not big, fully jackfruit. Jackfruit tree. So jackfruit. And then here is a mango. Here is a mango. Again, it will grown like that. Next year it will big and give a fruits to you. And here also small roots. Cut the stem and put in the soil. It become a rose plant. Like so many rose plant. Nothing. Only cut the stem. This also we cut the stem and put in the soil. It become. Look here. Very delicious. This is lemon. Most important is the size of a container. Look, again I am telling you, the size of a container is most important. Depends upon the plant, size of a container. It depends on the size of a container. Most important size of a container. The size of a container. Size of a container is the most important than the small plant. After 1 year or 2 years, it will be big plant and give more. Sometimes need to here is cutting he cut in the make another plant, cut in the and put in the solid container size of container. And this is look how a small plant lemon is coming. Small plant, how much lemon is coming? Small plant, so many lemon is coming. This is determined. It is most delicious. You can use this leaf also. You can use this leaf also. This also very nice, and have green teas. Look, have nice. And another also here. So many plants is there. There is also. So this is peppermint. This is peppermint plant. It is not. It is peppermint. And then this also fruits plant. Look, small fruits came. Small fruits came. Look. Yes, plantation going on. Some plants and the roads and the plantation going. Cut the steam and put inside. It become a new plant. Plantation going. Look. Plantation. Then another. This also is a plant. It is small. After that, it will become a big. This small, after that it become a big. It is also a plant, big. After some days it become a, next year it give more fruits. Yes. Blood is coming, look. Custard apple. This is custard apple. Look, after that next year it fruits come. This custard apple. And so this is full of summer. This custard apple. It is full of summer. Custard apple. This is custard apple. Look, this custard apple. This custard apple, first container, the size of a container, and put it look here. After they cut the branch, and it become a small plant. And look, that is curry leaves here. They will cut the stem and have bush it. Very simple. You have to need to cut the stem. Have bush the curry leaves. You can imagine. I need to grow down. You cut the head, this head of the stem. Cut the stem. Curry leaves. Look here. Only cut the head of the stem. This custard apple. Curry leaves again, another is curry leaves because when it is old now, you cut the head of the look. This is old. It will 4-5 years ago I have planted this. After what is mature now, then you have cut the stem. Look here, cut the stem here, and it become a new leaf. Curry leaves, okay, nice. The curry leaves. This curry leaves. Another is also here. Look, cut the stem of a branch and put in the soil. It become a new plant. Yeah. I don't many flower plants here. So many flower plants here. Look how much flower is coming. This is flower. This is flower. Every band say number of flowers. Sorry. Pomegranate. This is pomegranate. Flower came, fruits came, so many fruits came. This is siku. So many flower plants also, rose and this is so many flower plants also. 10 minutes task. Look here, hey, 10 minutes task. 10 minutes task. 10 minutes task. Plan देखो. Small one, then convert it to a big one. Thank you. Have a good day for all my friends. Make a inorganic garden at your by the side of your house. It's easy to grow. No, not more budget. Only you have to fix your mind, and it keep more oxygen, absorb carbon dioxide. Thank you for watching. Have a good day for all. Thank you.